I mean, all right. So, if you remember, friends, last live, I was making these granny squares, but I only have one skein of yarn of this color. So, 2 days ago, we went shopping and I found two of these. There's only two actually of this color. So, that's why I only got two. So, that's the color name. It said Zen. Psst, Maruka! Good evening. So, we are going to continue what I was doing. And this one here is done already. So we are going to start again with the gray squares. Kumusta dyan, Maruko? We are going to make another granny squares. Let's see which color I've started here. Alright. I think this is the right color. Let's see. I always start at the middle. That way I don't make mess. And if I do make mess, it's not so messy. Oh, I can't find it. It's alright. I'm just gonna grab. Kamusta kayo dyan, Maruko? I cannot find the center. Okay, I got it. Oh no. I think I don't have the center. The center, the center. So, let's see this one. So I'm gonna have a different center this side. In this side of the world, let's see if this one has the same. Tali ba sa saranggola yan? Pwede. Ang kati ng ilong ko. Iba din ang start nito. Ito na nga lang. Closer sa start ng isang. Ayan. You cannot use this for saranggola. Hindi ito matibay. Stretchable ito. Ayaw talaga makita yung center. Sige na nga. Ganito na ang gawin ko. Ayan. I found it. Thank you for coming over, Maruka. Nabuhol naman. Mahirap pa naman to pagka nabubuhol kasi stretchable siya. Maano siya, ano ba tawag doon? Pag hinila mo, lalong nagiging tight. So, kaya na nga. We are going to start na nga. What size did I use for this one? I think I used 5.5. Yep, I was using 5.5. So, this is just how I make my circle. I just twist it. See? Just do like that. And then twist like that. So, this is just a simple granny squares. Chain one. So, that is one. Oh no. Two and three. We're going to make four cluster of double crochet. So that's first cluster. Chain 2. Did I make chain 2? Let me check first. It was 3 days ago. That's why I forgot already. Yep, I only made 2 chains for a space. So, but let's see here. I can't see it. Oh, I made chain 1 for the first. Oh no! So I only made chain 1. It's alright. I'm gonna do a chain 2. It doesn't matter. Just the same. Two and three. So this is the second cluster of 3 double crochets. Chain 2, and I think I really did 1 chain only in the beginning. It's alright. My hair is so slippery. It keeps falling. I hope it don't fall anymore. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So this is the last cluster. Kaloka ito. Ayaw magpaano. And then chain 2, close here, slip stitch here at the first double crochet. Ta-da! Now we have a that's the start of granny squares. Sweater, mommy, nakagawa ka. Oh, ito, suot ko. hindi ito sweater, bolero ito. Oo, may nagawa na ako. Pero pinamigay ko ba? Pinamigay ko yun, nakmaro ko. Pinapamigay ko kasi hindi man kasya sa akin yung nagagawa ko. Kung hindi malaki, masyado namang maliit. Lalo na noon nung payat pa ako. Minsan ang laki-laki na pala ng ginawa ko. So, ginagawa ko na lang noon, pinapamigay ko. Ito actually, size small ito. Maliit lang ito. Pero nagkakasya pa sa akin. O, diba? Kasya sa akin kahit size small. Nagkasya pa sa akin. Kaya sinusuot ko pa rin siya. Ano nga lang ako. Para masarahan natin yan. Ayan. Punta tayo sa gitna. Okay. Oops, incorrect. It's supposed to be 2 stitches. Ano yang gagawin mo now? Ano siya? Um, Parang sweater din siya, pero granny square. Ayan. Let's have some coffee first. Hindi pa nagana yung brain cells ka, anak Maruko. Kulang pa sa kape. Gagawin ko din siyang parang sweater yung design niya kasi magiging long sleeve siya. Lalagyan ko siya ng sleeve. Kasi pang na to, pang winter ko na naman to. Pag nagkasya sa akin, pag hindi nagkasya sa akin, ilalagay ko to doon sa aking store. Bibenta ko siya. So, this is our second corner. This is actually the first corner I was trying to make. So, that's why I have. This is counted as the first double crochet. So, that's it. Gagawin ko siyang para siyang cardigan, sweater, pullover ba? Kasi wala siyang sa harap. Wala siyang open, tawag dun sa opening sa harap. Ayan. Ang hirap naman ng yarn na ito. Masyadong stretchable. Pero gusto ko siya kasi malambot lang siya. Malambot. Masarap sa katawan. Idikit sa katawan. Ayan. So, nandito na tayo sa third corner. Nagtagalog na talaga ako. I'm supposed to speak in English because I have a lot of English viewers. 2, 3. Alright, so this is our final corner. I'm just going to put 2 double crochets because I already made 1 double crochet when I started the row. So that's the second double crochet, and now I'm just going to slip stitch here. Ta-da! So we have 4 corners now. That's how it looks now. Oh, my husband has a message. Let's equip yourself life skills. It's alright. He knew I am live already. So, same old, we make double crochet here. But this is how I make my double crochet. I forgot how to call these double crochet, but that's a double crochet there. And then chain 2. And of course, a cluster of 3 double crochets right there. So that's the design. A simple granny square. Make sure I have 3. Okay, coffee. 6 pixels in the house. My love shouts. Shout out. Paliitan natin ito. Kasi I cannot see it. Ayan, I can see now. Okay. O, diba? Wala kung naka-on. Hindi ko tuloy ma-monitor.